I think so long. Yeah, I'm so nervous. But... Hello, my name is Marko Milakovic. I come from Serbia, from Novi Sad. I start play Final Five. I was 9 years old. 3x3, I already play 7 years. I start 2017 in Serbia and play tournaments there with my friends. 2018, I get an offer from Japan, and I go to Japan and play 5 years with my friends Theodore. I started play 3x3 because I feeling much better on the court and the freedom. Though we don't have a coach and they say something, you don't do that good. Yeah, I can do more on the court because I don't have some pressure from bench, It's a totally different Final Five 3x3, more condition, so hard, more contact, and you need more preparing for season. This is always challenge for me. Of course need some physio and recovery times, massage, of course. This is so important. If they just keeping the playing, your body will some injury or something like that. The good one is I travel everywhere in the world. I can meet another culture, another people. I make a lot of friendship everywhere in the world. Of course, you can play against another teams, another country, with the best of on the world. This is good for me. Because they, because they for example, two.
No, we'll do shooting, but
like my motivation always give me my family. Also, right now, my wife. This is for me so important. They push me a lot of. I put my all, everything to be better and better, and I will show one day I will champion or World Tour Masters. Or yes, this is a difficult moment for me. We are separated right now 1 month, and this is so difficult. We every time video call or something, but she will enjoy me in China, and that part is good.
yeah, because now you couldn't turn this way, right?
Yeah. For the win? I call it. Yes, of course. I have that time in my life, 2017, 2018. I want to stop because I stopped Final Five. I don't have a club. Too much thinking. Talk with my family. What happened? And just lock on my room and okay, what happened right now? And my family, my father and mother say, don't stop, keep it. They tell me, it's okay, this is just a bad time right now, just keep it. and I just skip that, just continue. Okay, let's practice more harder, and next year I just finish national team under 23, and I say, okay, what happened now? I again don't have a club, and Dusan Bulut called me. Do you want to go to Japan? They offer me. I say, of course, and I stay 5 years there. Just hard work, believe yourself, and dream is coming. My goal to one day play for senior national team Serbia and get a medal.